Hey guys, Shab here and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Razer Blade Pro 17-inch. So let's just get into it. So this is the box it arrived in. Oh my god, it is gigantic. No Razer branding actually, but we can see Intel inside. So that's one of the main issues with this laptop. It's still using Intel, though AMD's processors are much better. So it's quite heavy, but let's just open it. There we go. So much better. Okay, so it's quite a small box and oh my god, it's really heavy. Okay, so what do we have? Razer branding, of course, with the thing I was looking for. So we are just going to rotate it right here. The box looks quite good. Oh, it's just opens. Okay. Wow. Okay, so that's the laptop and we have a lot of information written over here. So go green with Razer. Razer's commitment to sustainability, we believe, are giving gamers unfair advantage shouldn't come at a cost to the planet. La 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 la. Okay, so unfair advantage. Okay, very well. And yeah, certified. Okay, that's all the box information, that it's reusable and such. So here we have the laptop. But before I take it out, I'm just going to put it on the side and look at the things which came with the laptop. So we got this thing. We got the power brick. Okay, so it's quite a big power brick. I mean, it's not that big, but it's a decent amount with some Razer branding. Of course, I think it lights up, possibly not. We have this port right here. So we got this in the box, and this is a 230 watt power adapter, just to be exact 230.1. Though, okay, so it's pretty slim, a little bit heavy if you ask me, though it's pretty good. It has Razer branding right here, and I think it lights up possibly, so we can just put that on the side. And the other thing we get is this, for the outlet, so we don't really need that. Now for the laptop itself. The packaging was great to keep it safe. It had a lot of coverings and foam and such, so that's quite good. So if we open this, okay, right here. Okay, there we go. There we go. Would you look at that? The Razer Blade. Okay, clean it up a bit. How I must. Oh, okay. This is the way I'm supposed to take it out. Oh wow, it's weight quite decent. I mean, it's heavy though, but okay. So we're just going to throw that away. So we get this messages, I guess this would be. Yep, the Razer messages, the classic. So this is in English for Razer support. Okay, don't really need that. And thank you for choosing Razer. You're welcome. The usual things. Next we have is the manual. I don't think anybody read these. Yep, nobody read these. And oh, this is the important part. Razer stickers. Always keep those. I have a lot of them. So we're just going to put that for now right over here. A microfiber cloth, I guess. Yep, to clean the laptop, and that's it for the box. Very well. Just going to close it down and keep it right here. So we can just put that away and bring in the laptop itself. So this is the Razer Blade. So as we can see, the Razer Blade. There we go. It's quite good looking actually. Okay. It's quite slim for a 17-inch laptop, and the weight is just reasonable. I won't say it's the lightest. I know there are more laptops which are even lighter, but it's okay. So the specs on this machine. So it's running a RTX 3060 with Intel Core i7 10th generation with 8 cores, 2.3 GHz. It's black in color. It has a 512 GB SSD, which is upgradable to 2 TB, and it also has 16 GB of 2933 DDR4 memory. So it is also upgradable to 64 GB of RAM, though it only comes with 16, It has the perky RGB. Where is it? Okay, it comes with perky RGB, and it also has the screen. Yeah, it's a 17-inch QHD. It's 2K QHD 165 Hz display, which is 100% sRGB. So it's quite a beast of a laptop. So if we just open it up and take this out, and wow, okay, a quite good looking laptop. We have some, okay, we can, I think these are the speakers. That's the power button, and no numpad, okay, first of all, and the keyboard. Pretty silent if you ask me, and the keyboard is okay. It's not that bad. So as you can see, RTX 3060 laptop GPU with 6GB GDDR6 VRAM, Core i7 10th generation, 8 core, 16 threads, up to 5.1 GHz. So that's the boost clock. So a pretty good laptop if you ask me. The Intel branding right here, RTX branding right here. We can take this off if we want, right here. We have some vents right here. 2 speakers, one this side, and this is the power button right here. No numpad, again, function keys, delete key. That's the laptop itself. Very good looking. So we have a 100% sRGB 17.3 inch 165 Hz laptop. So if you ask me, it's a pretty good looking laptop. It's quite slim. Yep, it's quite slim. I mean, it could have been a bit slimmer, but the amount of power it's packing, I think it's quite good. So the RTX 3060 in this one is, I think it's 100 watts or 90. I think it's 100, but I'm not sure. As you know, NVIDIA messed up these graphic cards. So the max, instead of max Q, max P, there are now wattages. So this one is 90 or 100 watts. Though I am getting a RTX 3080, which is a 165 Hz. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on notifications so you can watch that. It will be a Alienware M17R4. So that's going to be packing a RTX 3080 16GB of VRAM. So that's going to be amazing. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It will be coming out in a few days once I receive the laptop. I will also upload the unboxing and review for that. But for now, this is the Razer Blade 17.